River Health System. Everything we do should be focused on that. Not profit, not self-promotion, but our mission. That's what we're here for. And that mission is supported by these core values. And I want to commend Charlie because he dislocated his shoulder, and this morning got it popped back in place, and he's still here. So how about a round for Charlie, our CFO?
And then we also want to call guests by their name.
Dr.
Say my name, say my name.
So on 3, I want you guys to say, "Hi, Jamie Money" with me. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Jamie Money.
Did that make you feel good? She feels amazing.
All right, that's enough of that. Stop with the music. The important thing is not to stop questioning.
Actually, I think if I messed your hair up and you had a mustache, you would kind of look like him.
Be close.
I'm gonna lean on you, Susie.
I will always seek ways to get to yes when caring for others. I will always find options that are in the patient's best interest. If I make a promise, I will always follow through and deliver.
Always follow through and deliver.
It's all in the name of Singing River Health System.
What are you doing for others? A spirit of putting others first ahead of yourself. That's what getting to yes is about.
We need to make work fun, right? I mean, again, we spend more time here than we do at home. Let's make it fun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Devon. Happy birthday.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
1, 2, 3. With pride.